this is ELH4X4 doing stuff. Today we're going to be working on the 76 Corvette. We're going to be installing the side trim. But we can't because the mounting hardware is broken off. So what we got is this kit that comes with hardware. You know, I can understand where this goes, what this does. What I don't understand is these other screws. We'll figure it out. Let's get set up. Since we don't have the room to get in there with an angle grinder, on some of these spots, we're going to switch over to the rotary burr and see if we can't grind those the rusted old hardware out of the way. All right, so kind of looking at what's going on here. Maybe I'll go around the other side where the sun is shining. So this back one, you have access to it. So I'm thinking that's just going to use a screw and a nut, where this one actually uses a threaded insert, these three, because there's 6 of the threaded inserts and 6 of the screws. So 3 screws. Can you see that? 3 screws and 3 inserts per side. So now we just got to find the right size drill bit for this insert. All right, and take it from there. We're going to start out with a 1/4 inch bit, and then we'll step it up if we have to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the panel on the car and leave little witness marks where the trim is. That way we can make sure we're not drilling the holes outside of where the trim goes. That's all I'm trying to say. And just make sure the holes match up. So I guess the drill bit kind of walked a little bit. You can see it's not really centered in that hole, so we got to open it up. I drew a reference. We got to go diagonally down about 1/8 of an inch to get that hole lined up, but everything else works out pretty good. And apparently I can't count, so there was some hardware missing. There are 4 of the insert, and it looks like they're made out of brass. So 4 of these inserts on one side and 2 screws. So I'm going to put the insert up front, and I'll use the screw, kind of the second one and the last one. So all we got to do is open this hole up a little bit, move it down, and then try it again.